If you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications so you can see our inventory being updated on a daily basis. Right now you're looking at a 2021 Benz GLS 580. This is the new body style. This vehicle just came out. Looks like it may have hit a pole. It's the damage right here. Center nose. It's the bumper support. The radiator, the condenser, the radiator support, the fans are all damaged. Doesn't look like it got into the motor. The engine does start. Aprons look good. Frame rails look straight. This fender's good. Headlight's broken. Apron's good on this side as well. Let's do a quick walk around. You have to excuse the video, it's a little tight in the yard. I have a lot of cars. No buckles in the roof. Windshield is cracked. Got the running boards. And the doors back, it looks pretty clean. This is a GLS 580, so it's the big engine. This is the replacement for the GLS 550. Salvage title. This side looks pretty clean too. Let's take a look inside. Got the rear power shades, sunroof, rear climate control, 7-passenger. Interior is really nice. You have only driver's side airbag deployed. Air conditioned seats. Keys. One seatbelt is locked from the airbag. Really nice SUV, nice builder. It's going to be on the website soon. Call us if you're interested. Thanks for watching.